In recent months, a wave of sophisticated cyber attacks has swept across businesses and individuals, targeting them with malicious email attachment disguised as a chip archives. This campaign, known as Horns&Hooves, has caused widespread concern. Stay tuned as we break down the key tactics and involved methods used by these criminals. The campaign started in March 2023, hitting over 1,000 users, mostly in Russia, named after a fictitious company from a Soviet comedy novel. Hornhoof sent fake business emails with dangerous script hidden in zip attachments. The attackers target retailers, service businesses, and even private users. The cybercriminals constantly updated their attack methods. Version A in April-May 2023, they used HTML scripts that downloaded decoy PNG images, disguised as purchase list, and installed NetSupport RAT. Version B by mid-May, the script shifted to JS files, mimicking legitimate JavaScript libraries, still installing NetSupport RAT. Version C involved BurnsRAT using obfuscated script and a complex installation process. Version D script started hosting NetSupport RAT directly, eliminating extra downloads. Version E by June 2023, the attackers embedded the RAT within the script, moving from TXT files to more convincing PDF bits. The attackers used Windows tools like curl, bitsadmin, and DLL side loading tricks to bypass detections. After gaining system access, they installed remote administration tools like NetSupport RAT and BurnsRAT, enabling complete control over infected machines. Researchers linked Hornhooves to other known cyber crimes groups. The campaign used of specific license file point to overlapping infrastructure used in attack worldwide. These infections often led to ransomware installations, data theft, and system compromise. To stay safe, always verify unexpected emails, avoid opening suspicious attachments, and keep your system updated. Cybercrime tactics evolve rapidly, so vigilance is your best defense. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cybersecurity updates. Stay secure.